morning, everyone. Today, going to talk about my school. My school is a place where we learn new things every day. It teaches us gently. My help us stand our lessons. I enjoyed spending time with my friends. So in classes, we have a big playground where we play games. We celebrate festival and fun events together. I feel happy when I am at school. I love my school because it helps me grow and learn. Thank you.